Hey, welcome to today's tutorial, but it's not that much of a big tutorial, it's very tiny. So in my last video, many people had this problem that after using your controller, it comes that your game is picking up both the controllers, your normal controller and the one which is being simulated, the X360CE. Well, don't worry, because I have found the solution to that problem. And this solution comes in the name HidHide, and the spelling is HIDHIDE. Okay, I had a lot of trouble finding it, so let's us go on and find this up. I'll be using my Chrome. Let me type HidHide. Please look at the spelling. It's not hide, it's hide. Okay, the download, and it brings me to this page. So in this page, I will go to the GitHub, because I found that in the GitHub is where we got the latest release, and click the latest one. You can bring the source code, but which is a zip, but I prefer this one. I don't like extracting things. Once it's done, just close your browser and I will show you guys how to set it up. Yeah, so let us dive straight in to setting up this HidHide application. Let me first install it. So go to the downloads. I think that's where mine headed to. Where's the downloads? Here it is. And once you're here, you should find it. It's the first one, the HidHide. It's 1.5 to 30. Yeah, it's that one. So once you're here, just click it. You should open it. I'm not in the net, that's why it's bringing this. So I'll just click run. And here. So once you're here, this is the wizard. Just click next. Modify and repair or remove. It's bringing me this option because I've already installed it. So once you are here with yours, all you need to do is to click install. Once it's done, you can now move on to configuring it. So let me first open it. And then in this page, what you need to do is to choose the application which you want to run this HidHide in. Okay, and as you can see, I have already chosen around 3. We have the FIFA 19, okay, and Sleeping Dogs. I have another game, okay. We have here the Just Cause 2. Let me hide it from Just Cause 2, okay. So what you need to do is to click the add and go to where the game is actually installed. And mine it's supposed to be here in program files, and the app you're going to select is the executable file. And here, let me find it. Let me find the game. Okay, I have here Just Cause 2. Let me open it, and here is the executable file, the .exe. Click that and press open. Once you do that, you can see that it has popped up there, sleepingdog.exe. So what you need to do next is to hide your controller from this, because when you actually plug in your controller acts as the normal controller. But then, since you're simulating with the X360CE, the X360CE actually brings in like another controller. So your device will actually read 2 controllers, of which you're only using 1. What you need to do next is to hide one of the controllers. That's why we are using this HidHide. What you need now to do is to come to the device. As you can see, I've already hidden one, which is the game. This is my controller. I've already hidden one. But as for now, let me unhide it and let me just close the application. So let me go and get my controller, then we can continue. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't know how it got under my bed. Yeah, that I'm really sure about that. I really don't know how. But since I've gotten it, let me now launch the app, then you can fix that problem. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is to launch the X360CE, so you can see how your controller actually is displayed as 2 different controllers, yet it's just one. Let me go and open up the X360CE here. Okay, open up. Let me just wait. I don't know why today my laptop is this slow. I don't know why it's really slow today, but no worries. Okay, it's loading so slowly. It's taking its time. Okay, it's taking its time. Okay, now that's better. So here I need to select the game. Okay, I'll just choose any game because You're not actually playing. I'm just showing you how HidHide works. So right now, let me turn my analog on. Right now, if I open HidHide, okay, then come to devices, I want you to see this. There are two controllers. One is the Dragon Rise, the generic USB, that's the controller itself. And then we have the controller, which is the Xbox 360 for Windows. That is the one which is being simulated by the J2 key. Now, if you go and play a game, both of these controller will be working at the same time. And if they're working at the same time, that's where you get the errors. That's where you get the problem where you cannot use the X360 CE as you intend. So what you need to do is to lock one of them. If I lock this, if I play a game, even if I turn on the X360 CE, it won't work. It won't work completely because it has been locked. So what you need to do is to lock this one. Let me leave the X360 CE on. So if you do this, this is when you will get to fix that problem. Okay, just lock the one which you don't want to use, leave the other one open, and you'll be set to go. And I think that's it for my tutorial, but this feels so short. So do you guys want to hear a story? If you want to hear a story, you can wait. If you are done with the tutorial, guys, I will see you next time. So let me now tell you about this. So the other day, there is this girl, okay? We talked about a year ago. I think it was on November. It's around 7 months ago. So this girl, I texted her in the evening and I told her, you know what? We should meet, okay? You're going to buy me sausages, all right? So after I told her that, I was in a function at that time. So I told her this, and then I went. So it hit me around 3 hours later. You know what? I was supposed to meet with her. So I thought I should wait for about 3 days. So that she actually comes down. After she comes down, I will text her and apologize. Around 23rd, that's when I remembered. Damn, this girl, I was supposed to actually talk to her and apologize for being late. And it has been around 7 months. So I was so confused. In my head, I was like, it's just been around 2 months. She won't be that angry. So I went and texted her, okay? And she was fine with it. Hey, we talked 2 days. The third day she told me, we should meet tomorrow. But right now, I'm hungry. How about you buy me some lunch? So I bought her lunch. I sent her money for lunch. Okay? And let me tell you guys, the last 3 messages I sent, they have been glued. She has not talked to me over a week. She's not responding. So I think it's a tit for tat. She ripped me off and she ain't talking to me right now. Yeah, and that's for today, guys. Let me keep on remorse,ing and I will see you next time, guys. If you have better advice for me, please just give me the advice. I really need it, okay? See you next time, and going. See you, guys.